Hello, we got a problem with Ford Ka today. This Ford Ka 2012, exactly with the door handle. We can't open it. You have to use the lot of force to open it. No. So we remove the inside door card and we'll see it. We got the dry bolt under the plastic and a screw here. Now we got a little bit more space, but now we got the handle outside, but we have to know there is too much play here, so you have to use something that will be compensate the play on the rope. I used washer. So we put everything together. Let's see it. Now it's much better.